So now you see the question, find the equation of ellipse whose foci are 2 comma 3 and minus 2 comma 3 and whose semi-minor axis is of length root 5. So this question is related to shifting of ellipse. So first of all, here you can see that this is the 3 and 3. So y coordinate is not changing. If the y coordinate is not changing, it means it is parallel to x-axis, this line. So line joining foci is parallel to x-axis. And if it is parallel to x-axis, that implies major axis is parallel to x-axis. And you know that major axis is perpendicular to minor axis. So of course, so minor axis is parallel to y-axis. So these two conclusions are very important. After that, you simply write the equation x minus alpha square upon a square plus y minus beta square upon b square is equal to 1. And you know that midpoint of foci is center. So now what are the coordinates of center here? So now you can calculate that if you consider C is a center, so this will be 0, comma 3. And these are the values of alpha and beta here in the equation. So now you know the values of alpha and beta and whose semi-minor axis is of length root 5. So here now it is clear that this is a horizontal ellipse and the semi-minor axis. So this term is very important, semi-minor. So semi-minor axis is nothing but length of the semi-minor axis is equal to b, and that is root 5. And you know distance between foci is equal to 2AE. So these are the two important equations, and based on them you can find out value of A and B, because the eccentricity, you know, 1 minus b square upon a square under root for horizontal ellipse. Whenever you say horizontal ellipse, it means b is less than a and both are positive numbers, right? So this is, you can say, third equation, like that. So that much you're supposed to know first of all. Okay, and then what is the distance between foci? That is 2AE. 2AE is equal to 4. So AE is equal to 2, right? And then you can write here a square minus b square is equal to 4. How? Like you simply squaring that. So you will write a square e square is equal to 4, and you take the help from the equation 3, and you will write here a square 1 minus b square upon a square is equal to 4. Okay, so from that you will get the equation number 4. And now you know that b is root 5, and you simply put here b square is equal to 5. So what are you going to get? So you will get a is equal to 3. Understood? So like that. So finally, what is the equation of ellipse then? X minus alpha is 0. So x square upon a square 9 plus y minus 3 whole square upon 5 is equal to 1. So this is the equation of ellipse, horizontal ellipse.